Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a coq au vin, but a healthier version. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. First of all, we take a preheated oven and we heat it to 160 degrees centigrade or 140 fan or gas mark 4. Take a large casserole dish, spray some low calorie spray on it, and add in our chicken legs. You can use chicken thighs for this dish if you wish, just make sure that they're skinless. Brown our chicken legs for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, give them a flip over, just brown them on the other side to seal in the juices. Now that our chicken's browned on both sides, just turn them back over and we'll start to add the rest of our ingredients. Now folks, if you're finding value in what I do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, it does help the channel. So first of all, we add our sliced bacon medallions. Just make sure they're spread round. Fry them for 2 or 3 minutes. Then we add our sliced mushrooms. You can use button mushrooms if you wish. I just used a mixture of chestnut and ordinary brown mushrooms. Then we add our sliced red onion. Some crushed garlic. Some dried thyme. Our tomato puree. Our red wine vinegar. Now our red wine. Then we're going to add our red wine and beef stock. I just use stock pots for these. 1 red wine, 1 of the beef stock. Mix it up with 500 ml of water, just stir it around. Pop the lid on and we'll take it over and we'll put it into the oven. Now as these are bone-in legs, they take slightly longer, so I've cooked mine for between 90 and 100 minutes. But if you're using boneless thighs or bone-in thighs, just reduce the time to between 80 and 90 minutes. Now that our coq au vin is cooked, sauce is thickened, it's now ready to serve. So we take our coq au vin and we serve it. I have served mine as a side dish of French peas. I will link it to another video, which I will do in the next couple of weeks. So folks, if you've liked this video, again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on some of my further videos.